Okay, with your group, you are each going to contribute a glucose molecule. So put these in the center of your desk. Have each glucose facing upright. How do I know it's upright? Because the oxygen in the inner circle is facing 12 o'clock, or it's at the top, oxygen in the inner circle like this. Okay, also for this, I want to make sure that on my carbon one right there, the OH molecule is on the top and the hydrogen's on the bottom. Okay, so just make sure if you need to flip them, go ahead and do that. But on the top here, you want OH. And then over here on carbon 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, you want your oxygen and hydrogen to be on the top and your other hydrogen to be on the bottom down there. So go ahead and make sure that they're oriented like that. Okay, in order to bring these two together, we need to remove water out of this system. So I'm going to remove off of carbon 1, the oxygen and the hydrogen, and off of carbon 4, off of the oxygen there, I'm just simply going to remove the hydrogen, keep the oxygen intact. All right, I'm going to chemically bond them, and I just made myself water. That gets removed from the system, and now I'm ready to chemically bond these two molecules together. So off of carbon 1 and the oxygen on carbon 4, this oxygen is going to be the handhold that brings them together. Okay, so that oxygen on carbon 4, carbon 1, click. You just made maltose. So once you get your picture, I want you to reset. I want you to break this chemical bond like we do in digestion. Let's say you drink a malt milkshake. You just took in all this maltose. But maltose is really big. We need to break it down. I need to break this chemical bond with juices and chemicals in my body. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this apart right where I formed it. I'm going to put the OH back on C1, carbon 1, and I'm going to put the hydrogen back where it belongs. So I just digested maltose.